Hello everyone! Ako po si Fe, yung ikalawang kapatid ni Robert sa panganay. Kahit hindi kami nakadalo dyan, na pipicture namin, na masaya kayo dyan. Lahat po kayo dyan nagdalo sa kasal ni Robert celebration. Salamat po. And mga kasama ko dito, si Glenda, neighbor namin sa Pugoncino, kapinsan namin, si Zoe, 4 years old, anak kong ikalawa, si Jonah, anak kong panganay,
Other music.
9 years old, he's now 9 years old. Robert, happy birthday! You may have more birthdays to come. I love you, Ading. And I'm so happy for you. To our neighbors there, hello! Manang Helen, Manong Boy, Manong Satur, Manang Remy, Apong Tita, and family. Oscar and family. Nana Ilyang, and the Logan family, Dr. Logan, lahat kayo dyan, Gregory, Manong Monching, Manong Mentor, kumusta na po kayo dyan? Kung may na-miss akong pangalan, sorry po, natatandaan ko kayong lahat, for sure. To Ederlina, Ading, welcome to the family. We are so happy for you too, and we love you. And to Robert and Ederlina, congratulations sa yung dalawa. Sana masaya kayong lagi. And more blessings to you. I will say bye-bye now and have fun. Bye!
Bye! Congratulations to both of you.
Hi, Robert.
Adelina, congratulations.
This is Tita. She's the one who started the music for me.
Thank you, Jonah.
So congratulations and enjoy. Merry Christmas. Advance Merry Christmas to everyone.
For final ending.
Tita Glenda.
Bye-bye.
Glenda.
Oh!
Bye. Kita maligay sa o.
Gusto mo, dahil ko na.